Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best Apple Pencil tips is probably one of the most underappreciated accessories for iPad users. Whether you're a digital artist, a student, or someone who just loves to jot down notes, the right tips can completely transform your experience. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Apple Pencil tips, exploring what makes them unique and how to choose the perfect ones for your needs. Number 5. Apple Pencil Tips, 4-pack. Need a replacement tip for your Apple Pencil? This pack has you covered. It ensures you're always ready to create, sketch, and write. These tips work seamlessly with multiple Apple Pencil models. Whether you have the first generation, USB-C, or second generation, it's compatible. Swapping out the tips is simple. Just unscrew the old one and replace it with a new one. It's that easy. Inside the box, you'll find 4 extra tips. This gives you plenty of replacements for the future. Don't let a worn-out tip slow you down. With these replacements, you can keep your ideas flowing. What we like? These are the official Apple Pencil tips, ensuring perfect compatibility and performance. They work seamlessly with multiple Apple Pencil generations. If you prioritize reliability and ease of use with your Apple products, these are a great choice. What people say. These replacement tips are very high quality and well worth the money. They fit my Apple Pencil perfectly and screw on easily. They are very durable and last several months despite continuous use. Number 4. iPencil nib replacement tips for Apple Pencil. Are you tired of worn-out pencil tips? These replacement tips are here to help. They ensure your Apple Pencil is always working perfectly, ready for your next creative project. These tips are compatible with iPad Pro Apple Pencil first and second generations. They also work with Logitech Crayon Digital Pencil. It is a perfect fit for your device. Keep extra tips on hand for when you need them most. This pack includes 4 replacement tips, so you'll always be prepared. This is a must-have accessory. These tips are easy to install, just replace the old one. They are designed to provide the same smooth and responsive experience as the original. You will love it. We provide a 12-month worry-free replacement for the iPencil tip. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact our customer service. We are here to help. What we like? These replacement tips offer wide compatibility with various iPad models and Apple Pencil generations. They are an affordable solution to keep your pencil working perfectly. If you need a simple, cost-effective way to replace your tips, this is a great option. What people say. These replacement tips work perfectly with my Apple Pencil too. They fit securely, write smoothly, and feel just like the original. No issue, and voila, my Apple Pencil is as good as new. They screw on easily, feel just like the originals, and the pack of 4 means we always have backups when one wears down. Smooth writing and drawing, no issues at all. Number 3. REEYEAR iPad Pen Tips for Apple Pencil. Introducing the upgraded pen tips, featuring a 0.78mm fine point design. This design allows for precise control, making it feel like writing on real paper. It's perfect for detailed work. These tips are built to last with an anti-scratch ballpoint. They are durable and long-lasting, saving you from frequent replacements. It's designed to be a cost-effective solution. The finer tip design simulates a pen-like experience. There is no lag, allowing you to write and draw freely. This improves work efficiency for note-taking or digital drawings. The ballpoint tip includes a weld support rib for long-term use. The inner spring connection transfers writing pressure, extending the life of your Apple Pencil. This is a must-have accessory. These reliable tips are compatible with various iPad models and Apple Pencils. They work with the Apple Pencil Pro, first and second generation, USB-C, and more. It's a versatile choice. What we like? This product features a 0.78mm fine point for precise control and a wear-resistant design for longevity. The design mimics the feel of a real pen, enhancing your writing and drawing experience. If you are a digital artist or someone who takes a lot of notes, this is the perfect choice. What people say. They write nicer than the Apple tips that come with the pen. They fit perfectly, and handwriting is better, like writing with a pen and paper. They last a long time before needing to be replaced and are strong so that they won't bend. Number 2. Apple Pencil Replacement Tips, Soft, Wear-Resistant. Are you looking to enhance your Apple Pencil experience? These replacement tips are designed to provide a superior writing and drawing feel. They are compatible with both the first and second generation Apple Pencils. These tips are crafted with soft, wear-resistant materials. This ensures a smooth glide across your screen and long-lasting performance. You'll notice the difference immediately. The damping pen tip design offers a responsive and natural feel. It provides excellent control and precision, making it perfect for detailed work. It's like writing with a real pencil. Featuring a 2B stylus fine nib, these tips offer a balance between softness and durability. This allows for a comfortable writing experience. It's ideal for both note-taking and creative tasks. These replacement tips are compatible with iPad Air, Mini, and Pro models. They work seamlessly with your Apple Pencil. It's easy to install and ready to use. Each pack includes 6 replacement tips plus 2 extra tips. This ensures you have plenty of replacements on hand. You can enjoy extended use without worry. What we like? These tips offer a soft and wear-resistant design, ensuring a smooth writing experience. The 2B stylus feel provides a comfortable and natural feel. If you enjoy a softer touch and a pen-like feel, you should consider these tips. What people say. The HB nibs feel similar, if not identical, to the default Apple Pencil nib. The 2B nibs feel softer when using, causing more friction as you work across the screen. The different hardness levels give a different feel of the pencil against my screen, but don't seem to wear like the official pencil tips. Number 1. Apple Pencil 2 Gen Replacement Tips. These replacement tips are compatible with Apple Pencil first and second generation, and also work with Logitech Crayon. They ensure your Apple Pencil functions flawlessly. This makes it a versatile choice for various users. Made from premium silicone rubber, these tips are durable and smooth, just like the original. You can easily install, use, and remove them. It's designed for a perfect fit. These tips are the same size as the original Apple Pencil tips, ensuring smooth and perfect performance. They won't scratch your iPad screen. You'll get the same quality as the OEM. The package includes 4 Apple Pencil replacement tips. Please note that the Apple Pencil itself is not included. It's a great value for the price. These tips are a great choice for teachers, students, artists, and office workers. If you're not satisfied for any reason, please contact us. We are here to help. What we like? These tips are designed for easy installation and removal, ensuring a perfect fit for your Apple Pencil. They provide a smooth writing experience, similar to the original tips. If you want a simple, reliable replacement that feels just like the original, you should choose these. What people say. They fit perfectly, work just like the original Apple tips, and honestly, they arrived faster than ordering directly from Apple. The fit is snug and secure, no slipping or issues at all. They glide smoothly on the screen, with just the right amount of resistance for writing, sketching, or navigating, exactly like the original tips. It was super easy and a perfect fit. Also, it completely fixed the problem. No lag and the lines show up along with the perfect pressure sensitivity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.